thank you all for watching this video, and I'm gonna do my thumbnail now, and I'm gonna pick my 2 favorite shoes. Hi everybody, it is Chastity.Elise. I am back for another video. Please like and subscribe. Today's video is about shoes. So back when I was in high school, we won't talk about how long that's been, but back when I was in high school, like, I absolutely loved sneakers. I still love sneakers even now, just because, you know, heels give you that look, like if you're going out or something like that, or if you're going to work, you know, you might want to wear heels. But personally, I find that sneakers are a lot more comfortable. Sometimes you can find that one heel, or you can find those couple of heels that are comfortable and they look nice, but it's not very often. So anyway, just to jump straight into this video, so I'm doing kind of like, I guess you could say it's a haul, or really, I mean, this is really just about my infatuation with shoes. So you could say in some sense I'm a shoe fanatic. I'm gonna do different videos, but this one I'm gonna do sneakers. My favorite sneakers, actually some of these sneakers, one of them I bought last year. So one of them I have actually matches this top because I wore it with this top last year. But the other ones, I literally just bought them, so I've never tried them on. There's one pair, which if it's in this group, I can't remember if it's arrived or not, but I'm just gonna go over the shoes that have been delivered. My shoes have been delivered. But so I'm just gonna go through real quick on the shoes I have now. So anyway, I'm just gonna jump into it. And then also, I just wanted to point this out behind me. It says, just don't quit. And this is like, which y'all have seen this room before. This is just my gym room, and it's just like one of my inspirational quotes. All of the shoes that I'm going through today, they're all Nikes. So I thought that it would be appropriate to film right here and have this as my background. Why not? So getting started, due to Corona, I've got the boxes here on a towel, and then once I'm done, I'm just probably gonna throw the boxes away, honestly. But typically, I don't know, I just like keeping the boxes just because I feel like it helps you to get organized, or helps you to keep organized. You know what's in what box, where is a specific shoe that you're looking for. But I'm probably not gonna keep the boxes for these. I'm probably just gonna take the shoes out and then put them in my little organizer that I have downstairs. So the first pair of shoes are these here. So these are Nikes, obviously. Like I said, all of these shoes today are Nikes. They're red, black, and white. And I actually wore them with this top, and that's the bottom right there. And then that's the inside. So, and these were like really comfortable. I wore them pretty much for a whole day at the Rolling Loud Festival last year. That's the first pair. These other pairs I have not seen in person. I saw them online and I loved them. So this pair is the Nike Air Max. You can customize them. I didn't customize mine because these are orange and purple. And I'm sure, as I mentioned in probably a video prior to this one, I'm a huge Clemson fan, so I'm all about the orange and purple, so I didn't change anything on it. And then that's the bottom. These I got in a 4.5. I typically wear like a 6 to a 6.5 in my shoes. So just to give you an idea about the sizing. So like if you wear 8 or 8.5, then obviously you want to go up like 2 sizes. So these shoes are the universal ones, where basically the shoe size is the same across the board. So they don't have like this size is specifically for men, this size is specifically for boys and girls, and this size is specifically for women. So I'm actually gonna try these on, well, I'm not gonna try them on right now, but I'll try them on later. But I thought that these shoes were like really awesome. So it's purple mainly, and then it's got this black strap that goes around. We'll get to that. But yeah, it's purple, and it's got this really cool, it's got the Nike check mark, and then it's got like purple, it's kind of like purple, blue, and then it's green. And then the bottom, that's the bottom right there. And let's see, cause they're like, and it's like Velcro. So it's Velcroed around. Oh, that's awesome. So look at that. Okay. So you don't have to tie the shoe. That's it right there. Those are the strings. The strings are attached to this strap, and you just wrap this strap around the back of the shoe, and then it Velcros on. It goes around the back to the other side. So that's super cool, and I like these. So this was a universal size shoe, and I got a size 4.5. I'm gonna try these on, not right now, but I'm gonna try these on later, just because I wanna make sure that I'm wearing them with something that matches and this don't match, or this doesn't match. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all what the inside of the box looks like. So the inside of the box actually has the information that we just talked about. This is the inside of the box. So check that out. All right. Moving on to the next shoe. So what I find really cool is that, I don't know why, well, I guess it's different. Okay, so with boys have like, I find that boys have like some really awesome looking shoes. Women's shoes are okay, but you know, like boys, they're like into like futuristic looking shoes, or shoes that are designed really differently and that are unique. I like things that are unique. I find that boys' shoes, I can fit boys' shoes, I can't fit men's shoes. But I feel like boys' shoes are different than women's, and I feel like theirs, I personally like some of the styles of boys' shoes that they don't necessarily have for women. So this right here is actually a boy's shoe. So I had to go down 2 sizes. So like I said, I typically wear either a 6 or a 6.5. So in boys, I'll wear a 4 to a 4.5. So I ended up getting this. I want to say I got this in a 4. So these are yellow and black, as you all can tell. That's the bottom. And this is the other side. It has a strap over the top too, but it has your actual strings underneath. And then it's got this strap that goes across. That is it. And then we got one last pair to show you all. Okay, so I have a story about these. So these, I originally got these in all gray and white. This one features a pink Nike check mark. I had a pair of these some years ago. It's probably been almost, so 6 years ago, I had these shoes. Also, I didn't mention the yellow and black shoes that I just showed. Those are Airspeed Turf. These I got from Foot Action because I remember when I ordered them, it was like they were going out of stock really fast and they didn't have a lot of sizes available. So when I ordered the Airspeed Turf shoes, initially I was scared because I saw that the stock was depleting, and I'm like, okay, well, let me go ahead and order them. So I went ahead, I ordered them, and then the next day I got an email from Foot Action saying, hey, we're trying to get your order together. And then I got another email like the following day saying, hey, we're trying to put your order together. And so I'm scared. I'm like, I hope they still have this shoe. But I was really scared about that because honestly, out of the group, I think those might be my favorite shoes out of all the ones that I have. But moving back to this one. So with this one, I originally had this in strictly just gray and white. These shoes were super comfortable. Like I wore them all of the time. All the time, everywhere, it did not matter. And I was absolutely in love with them. As a matter of fact, I wore them one day. I can't remember where I wore them, but I wore them somewhere out, just somewhere out in public or whatever, and a lady stopped me and she's like, don't you just love those shoes? She's like, those are so comfortable. And I'm like, yes, I absolutely love them. I'm like, they're literally my favorites. Like every couple of years, I go back and I buy these. So they didn't have the gray and white that I typically get. They ended up having gray, white, and pink. So I just went ahead, I was like, well, for the most part, I mean, other than appearance, it's basically the same exact shoe. So I just went ahead and got these instead, since I couldn't find the others that I was looking for. I have maybe like 2 more that I can show you all. However, those would not be Nikes. Those are actually Under Armour shoes that I wear in here just to exercise. So I probably won't bother with those. But yeah, so I just wanted to do this video really quickly just to go over a couple of my favorite shoes. Honestly, even though I just purchased some of these, they are literally my favorite shoes just based on their designs. I think probably for an upcoming video, I might do my favorite heels that I have. And then I probably won't do it now, but maybe like as it gets closer to the fall, I might do like my favorite boots. Because I do have a collection of boots, and I do have a couple that I specifically like that are like my favorites. They're comfortable, they're stylish, they're cute, but I just wanted to go over these really quickly with you all. I didn't want to make this video too long. So with all of that said, this is it. And then at the end of this video, I'm gonna take some pictures with some of these. Not all of them, but certain ones. And I'm gonna post it. But yeah, so that's it, you all. That is it. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'm gonna do my thumbnail. I'm doing this for y'all now. I'm gonna put this on my head.